Now, I want to thank all the people here from outside of Portland who have come down to help us to win this. The people from Manchester, the people from Westmoreland, the people from St. Mary, all over Jamaica, you can see people here trying to help us to win this. I want to thank the workers of the party, but I want to thank the supporters as well, because everybody have been working. Convincing, cussing, quarreling, talking, everybody have been working. I never see so much little baby as a power in my life. But I go to school and sign about change the autograph. And a baby asked me for my number. I give her the number. Sunday God just sent me a message. All of us voted for you. Say, yeah, vote. She don't make up her mind. I'm going to tell them I feel good about it. You know, focus on getting to beautiful speaking. It starts with beautiful thinking. And beautiful speaking has been proven important throughout life. Because Martin Luther King is known for a speech, I have a dream. A speech that gave freedom to black people in America. Liberation and movement. Nelson Mandela is known for beautiful speaking. Michael Manley is known for beautiful speaking. That changed this country. Informing us that there needs to be an ideological change, that a backdoor boy can start look for go through the front door through beautiful speaking. I can tell you, beautiful speaking can't put food on your table, but it can inspire you and motivate you to put food on your own table. Every night I meditate upon a song. When I come tonight, I meditate upon this song because them thief in the youth future. Old pirates, yes, they are back. From the bottomless pit, but minds were made strong by the Almighty, who forward this generation triumphantly. Won't you the songs of freedom, long I ever redemption song. Now meditate upon it because it says you want to sing a song of freedom. I mean, I have to explain to you what freedom is, because there is no freedom without independence. If you're dependent, you cannot be free. Because being dependent, you don't have a choice. You see, freedom is the choice. If you have no choice, you have no freedom. So if a lady can't choose to leave the yard because she can't pay her own rent, then her man will beat her, she have no freedom. And if a man can't choose to not watch the brazier because he can't buy more than dinner, he have to go watch the brazier. So we start to look and realize that freedom comes from having a choice. No, we are having a system where one man have choice and the rest have no choice. Where an MP, one person, decide who eat and who hungry. Where one person decide who for roof leak and who get zinc. Where one person decide who very good and who not very good. Freedom is the ability to eat because you're hungry, not to eat because me feel kind. That's freedom. So me have to explain to the freedom because, as I tell them the other day, I am a warrior, a justice warrior. stick and stone war. This war is not a knife and gun war. It's not a weapon war. That's why I don't want nobody to defend no poster. Nobody no fear defend no picture. A picture can't vote. Nobody no fear defend some little foolishness. Because when you check it out, anywhere of violence don't have money. I have never seen Jack Silla fight Narbrook yet. I have never seen $1 Million Road a fight over Sansan yet. So understand, so we're not going on a war with them and a violence with them. Because if you make a snake, make a lion be a snake, then the lion will lose. A lion cannot fight like a snake. You have to fight like a lion. So we're not going to freedom type of politics. It's a mental fight. It is a fight to change our mindset. It is a fight to improve our own lives. It's a fight to understand that the MP is here to assist you, to assist yourself. Because Bob Marley did tell you that you have to emancipate yourself from mental slavery. He says, none but yourself. None mean nobody else can free your mind. So when we have a mindset that calls for every December the poor wonder what they're going to buy and the rich wonder what they're going to sell, that needs to be free from our mind. When we have the mind of a consumer, when we give a man $1,000 and get back $100 in a change, I wonder why him rich and we broke. We broke because we gave him $1,000 and get back 100. When we don't recognize that those who do more work in school, do less work after school and get more pay for it. And those who do less work in school, do more work after school and get less pay. If you don't believe, look on a construction site. The man we have mixed the cement him get $2,000 and the man we have pint to him for carrot get $2 million. Just meditate on it. Mixing cement is one of the hardest work me ever see. And him I get $2,000 and a pint I get $2 million. But the man we have mixed the blase in a school, him that we sign the focus on cartoon, him that kick box ball. The girl we have mixed cement, did I say she a hot girl and a paste on her head side with gel till it peel out. She a go in a taxi. Sometimes when I talk, I lose footing. But at the end of the day, I have to have my own conscience. So I say to you now, if you don't emancipate yourself so that you can become an architect, that is pointing. If we don't teach our children and those who go use them there and help me, I tell you something. It is better to focus for 5 years and enjoy 50 years than to enjoy 5 years and suffer 50. It is better to focus between 13 and 18 and enjoy between 18 and 80 than to go enjoy 13 and 18. And I bet $20 between 18 and 80. They don't want to teach you these things because they need somebody to clean the toilet. They don't want to teach you these things because they want somebody to cut them yard. They don't want to teach you these things because they need a security guard. But I'm telling the youth, when you see a security guard with a dog, the dog eats 2 times and the guard eats once. So the mindset have to change. An emancipation of Snow Hill from mental slavery. When I look across the entire Jamaica, those who are rich own something and those who are broke work for someone. So when I just come here, I hear the youth that say they want to work, and I say work is one way to earn. That's wages. A business is another way to earn, that's profit. And if you are work wages and you make 10 grand, the man will hire you, make 70 grand off of you, because he will not hire you unless you make 7 times what he pays you. I have a whole family. I start with 4,000 pounds. And now I have 32,000 pounds. But I lay egg. Well, them lay egg. I mean cold egg. The man will lift up the egg, get 2.5, and me make 20 grand. At some point, the man will lift up the egg. Must say I want my own cup. Otherwise, he's not emancipated. give a picnic. You can't let your shop give a youth and turn it in a wholesale. You can't let your land give a youth and turn it in a farm. You can't let one look here just a chair and she turn it in a here just a parlor. But you cannot leave your work for your child. I remember when my father died, me at 15, my father is sick and laid up on the bed. He said that the only thing he can left me is advice. He couldn't feel good about that in his conscience. In his heart, all him a work, all him a do. He might dead and see me out at 15 and him say, you, the only thing we can left you is advice. Right down the road, there was a little man with a garage. The garage name was Becky and Sons. And when Becky did, his son get garage. So if we don't start to emancipate ourselves, they will pick me start from zero when some other pick me they are 100. And we wonder why when granny broke, granddaughter almost automatically broke. Emancipate ourselves. So when I come and say, yo, we have to put in goat, it's an emancipation. When I say I own a goat, we say I own a business. You owning something. And 1,200 of us can make $1 million each off our Jamaica import in a goat. Because Jamaica import $1.2 billion worth of goat. That is $1,200 million. And some man start see me and call me goat man. Some man start see me and start say me. But what they should rave about them are me about because they are not emancipated. Meditate. Why you should come to the MP office? Sit down out the door till him feel to talk to you and get a $2,000 book voucher for your $26,000 book list. Meditate. You know, buy shoes. Meditate. You know, buy uniform. Meditate. You know, buy book. But you must sit down and wait until me done WhatsApp my girl and come outside to say, member, me do something for you. Instead, me can give a she-goat. And when the goat drop 3 kids, one rammy from a regular goat is 40 grand. One rammy from a newborn is 60 grand. One rammy from a boar is 80 grand. Why would you give up 80 grand for 2 years? Emancipated from mental slavery. When I see our JLP campaign, them pay the youth them to sit down on the roadside with liquor. Give them $2,000 and a split. They're training them to make liver problem and kidney problem. The youth them will get up from morning till night and drink rum and boom to say a special. Understand say who make rum not drinking it. And by the time you have 40, you have liver problem and kidney problem, you have to go pay to people. Why when you have people for free, you have to take steps that you start pay to people. And then, say your salt. When it's you salt up yourself, they are running a campaign where on a weekday, you can find nearly 1,000 youth sitting down outside, doing nothing. And I go to the youth them and say, yo, I can tell you, because I come from nothing to something, I am going to take you from street side greetings to business meeting. And they say they don't want that because their mind isn't emancipated. But the last time a black man said he was a slave, don't forget. I come to you and they don't like me for it, because I don't have the blood autopsy. I don't have the appearance. I don't have the complexion to be flower, but they wish I was Carmel and turn my back pound. But I don't want that. They wish that when I make it, I look back and lock the door and say, oh no, says she don't want to share space with me. She cannot share dinner table with me. She cannot share birthday party with me. But she have to share bank with me because I have my own money. It might not enough like Philomena. It might can't buy plane. But if me sick, me can go doctor. And if me hungry, me can eat food. And when at Christmas, my girl can get a present. So me I said to them, if when me walking at the bank, you don't want to share space, use the ATM. But they wished that I would keep my progress a secret. I am coming to you to tell you how I did it. I can't tell you about drugs, because I never sell drugs yet. I can't tell you about crime, because I never in a crime yet. But I can tell you that heights of great men reached and then kept. Don't, and that all people know waste word enough. If reach and kept were the same, they would have just say reach or kept. Them say reach and then kept. Some will reach, but they will not keep. The life where them are trying to expose the youth them to with crime and criminality. The life of scamming. The life of sit down and wait upon a man. They may reach, but they will not keep. They felt out. So when I come here to say to you, I made it from nothing to something. I made it from having 3 shoes, church shoes, going out shoes and school shoes. When the shoes have a name, you know you know the shoes. Until now I have 18 shoes. And I only come because I never buy shoes. I am coming from watching people TV through them window. When them tired of you, them draw them curve, you see the blue light and you still have a tire yard. When you watch people TV, no matter how the show funny, you're afraid to laugh. I am coming from watching people TV. Now those people that watch me on them TV. I am coming from nothing to something. I am coming from a life where the first time I got to the embassy, I know it was a mistake from I paid my money. And when I got to the window, she gave me a green paper, that's why I don't like green. With about 40 reasons. That is why every 4th week of the month, I will personally teach mathematics in the schools so that those who look like me can say one day they can be like me. So those who rate me can say, yo, I can do it too. Because I used to share one room with 6 people, 2 dive on bed, 3 people each. You're afraid to roll over because when you touch a man, he pump you in the side. I know me alone have a 6-bedroom. I'm about 8 toilets. Sometimes I don't know where we are. But we want to understand that everybody that can walk and talk can learn. Nobody never born a walk. You learn to walk. Nobody never born a talk. You learn to talk. So tell me how you bright at 9 months and now dunce at 90. You tell me how you learn something basic like walking. No other animal can do it. And you learn it when you're a baby, but you cannot learn English when time you're 90. Something intervened in our mind to tell us that education is not important. Understand? So when a man put out a work for 9 work, 900 man apply. And if you don't have the links, your resume better 10 times better than every resume on the team. Understand? Understand that we are in a country now where we don't need the hustle again, because those who used to mix cement is a pre-mixed truck. And those who used to wash clothes is a washing machine. And those who used to chop bush is a weed whacker. Brain power is the main power. So when I come and say I want at least 1 degree in every household, that is an emancipation from mental slavery. The lady running against me, she says she entered into politics because all her children have gone to university. I entered into politics because too few of ours are going to university. So what's a hobby to her is a mission to me. So I said to you, I am putting down $5 million from the CDF. And the first person in any family that gets through to university is guaranteed a scholarship. If a 10 of them are 500,000 each, if 100 of them are 50,000 each. But I'm saying that 5,000 used to be in bushing, used to be in rum buying, used to be wasted on the dead. How can you not recognize that we have too much 14 subjects doing nothing here? And if it's a GLP family, them qualify. If it's a PMP family, them qualify. If we're going to get 1 degree in every house, we have to start by making sure everybody can read. So we say we want those who can read to volunteer to teach those who cannot read on a Sunday and a Saturday inside on the veranda. If we don't do that, then at some point we might be the next Montego Bay. If you don't have the country that you want, you cannot have the house that you want. I am building a house now. I may have to put too much money in a grill because we have a thieving country. Had I had a not thieving country, we would have put pool and no need no grill. If we don't help them kids here now, when they start to rap, we have to grill up. So we say we are going to make sure that we volunteer 1 day out of the week to teach a youth who can't read so well. We have some rural areas with 31% literacy. We say we are going to volunteer to do that. We said further that for those who are doing PEP to go into high school, we are going to have extra classes for the mother and the child called Mommy and Me, so that when we teach the mother and the child on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the mother can help the child. What is wrong with that? Because enough of we, when we can't help a picnic, it means that the picnic inherit our poverty. So we're training you to train them. We said that there's a school called Port Antonio Primary. I visited the other day. It is a shift school. Who get a picnic ready for 2 grade at 1 o'clock? It means that somebody have either not work or the child have to be an adult while he should be a child. We guarantee that next September that will not be a shift school. No primary school. How can you work if your 9-year-old have to find her own way to school at 11 a.m.? Madness. And they have been here for 16 years. And they come with no plan. I there for 16 days. And it's plan after plan after plan after plan. We go further. The youth them who are going to put Antonio high. That is also on shift. That means extracurricular activity can't go on good. Because you are disturbed with their class now. There is a school that them locked down. Are them thief down? Fellowship primary. Because members of them thief the sugar out of Bula. Remember them taking sugar out of Bula. We thought it was for health reason, it was for pocket reason. But fellowship primary and junior high is now closed. Nanny is one of two heroes that don't have a high school. We will transform fellowship primary and junior high into Nanny High School. That is a lack of freedom. Because you can't ride if you want to ride. You ride if them give you gas. Right down. Brown Brook is in here. You used to have fish tank down there. Tilapia fish. Down at Burlington. You can see it from here. But it's not there anymore. Jamaica import 27 million US dollars out of tilapia fish. I never said Jamaican dollar. 27 million US dollars. That is 27 times 131. We are looking for nearly 300 million Jamaican dollars out of freshwater fish. Freshwater fish grow good anywhere river. Why we have river and we don't have fish? Because we have not been emancipated from mental slavery. We want to implement tilapia fish. We want the girls who have a baby and the father either not mind the picnic or can't mind the picnic. We said, come to us and we're going to give our honeys some honey. You're going to get bees to raise in your backyard. And when you're ready, you carry all the honey we have and sell us, and we will sell it to people. That is independence. We're saying to you that you are greater than you think. We're saying to you that you deserve more than you're giving yourself. Sometimes politicians don't give away deserve. Sometimes all your husband don't give away deserve. Sometimes all your wife don't give away deserve. Sometimes I go home and lay down in my girl lap and say, I want to look a bum bus and two bum she bus and say she tired. I deserve more than this. But why would you not give yourself what you deserve? You deserve to go doctor if you sick. You deserve to have a room where you can have privacy. You deserve to can eat if you're hungry. You deserve to can buy a shirt because you want a shirt. Or buy a jeans because you want a jeans. That will not be given to you. That comes with a dream and a drive. Wake up, tie out your coat till you can tie out your boat. Wake up and hold your own until you can own your own. Wake up and recognize that the heights of great men reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight. Heights of great men cannot be attained at MP office. Heights of great men cannot be attained by sitting down on the corner. Heights of great men cannot be attained by chilling and maxing and relaxing and cooling. Heights of great men will be attained by working with me, and the knowledge that I have, and the connections that I have, and the influence that I have, I pass it on to you to develop yourself so that your child is better than you. That is the only way we ever catch back leeching. That's the only way we ever catch back good story. So what I come here and campaign for, you notice me not talk about road. I'm going to fight for the road, you know. I'm going to fight for the water. I'm going to get mad because you know some ain't no good already. But me I say to you, and somehow what happen, this is true, come red Bloomfield, Safi. Them take advantage of it. They cannot do that with me. If a guy feel, say I can come and say I want some road and everybody I get road and me not get no road. Me will tie up myself on Jamaica house, you know. You don't know me ain't no good already. That's why we just go out and come down my already. Me say to you that I will fight for your comfort, but I will kill myself to make sure that your mindset change. To make sure say you pick the better than you. To make sure that as a lion, you teach your cub how to hunt. And as a zebra, you teach your pygmy how to shift. Because if the lion not teach the cub how to hunt, he will dead be hungry. And if the zebra not teach him pygmy how to shift, the lion will eat him. Know thyself. So I'm going to say to you, my people. There comes a time in the life of men where they have to decide if they're going to go backwards or if they're going to go forward. There comes a time in the life of men that they have to decide if one night can make it for their whole lives or if they're going to go and improve their life over time. There comes a time in the life of men that they have to make a decision for themselves, them children, and them grandchildren. I am asking you, Snowhill, I am begging you tonight to, for the next 6 days, talk to who need to talk to. For the next 6 days, convince who need to be convinced. For the next 6 days, work for me. So for the next 60 years, I will work for you. All of you here, East Portland, Snowhill, Free School, all of you, wanna stick to the PMP, wanna join the partner with Sam Lawrence, wanna join the partner with Father Rad, wanna join the partner with Jonah Rad, wanna join the partner with Bloomfield. Well, PMP just sent on the partner draw. Don't you? Show Jamaica what a little man with a little plan can do to other little men who want better for himself. The trumpet of Sunday, my countrymen are, and I'm going to ask you one simple question. Let the power fall on us. All right. Let the power fall on us. Oh, let the power is Portland fall on us. Let the power fall on us. Look to the east for the coming of a king. Respect our power.